Yes, good job, Farouk. It's a pond. So we are going to be looking at this pond today, and we're going to be playing a game where we are going to use these logs, and we're going to build a dam. So we're going to take turns in our groups. One group is going to have 3, and one group is going to have 2, plus the teachers. And we're going to reach into the bag without looking at the bag, and we're going to pull out one, and we're going to look, and there's going to be a letter on the bottom of our logs. Good job, that's H. So we're going to say what the letter is. We're going to say if it's a capital letter or a lowercase. What is this one?
Lowercase.
Look at it again.
Big. Uppercase.
Uppercase, yes, uppercase. So we're going to determine if it's a capital or a lowercase letter, and we're going to say what sound it makes. And then we're going to find a spot that looks good, and we're going to place it in our pond. So we're going to keep doing this and take turns over and over until we build up our dam and it reaches all the way across. So we're going to keep going. But there's a tricky part because some of the logs have the symbol on the bottom, and it looks like this. So if you pull up one of these, that means that you have to take the whole dam down and put all of the logs back into the bag and start over.
Wait a minute, what?
I know, right? So I'm going to tell you guys again. So what do you do if you see one of these when you pull it out of the bag?
You teach all the pots.
Yeah, you have to take all of them out of the pond, and you have to put them all back in your bag and start over. So the goal is that we're going to be trying to build our little dam in our beaver pond, and then as we're building our dam and looking at our letters and placing them down, we can write the letter. So I just placed the letter P, so I'm going to write the letter P in the sand. So I can practice writing P.
Yeah, but it starts with my name.
Yeah, that's
Wait,
right.
G starts in my name.
Yeah, there's a G in here somewhere too.
Me too.
I am so glad that you guys know what letter starts with your names. Okay, so does everybody understand that part?
Yeah.
Okay, so after we have done that, if we have some extra time, we can start looking at words. And we can look at how all of these letters, I'm going to show you that in a minute, Grace. We can look at how all of these letters come together and they start to form these different words. So we'll be practicing reading and putting together these words using these little disc log pieces. So that's what we'll do with that, and that's our little game. And that over there, these are little sensory bags. So I only have 2 of these for each table. One of you will have to share one, I guess. But you guys are going to smooth out. You can just do this when you're taking turns playing the game, but you guys are going to smooth out the sensory. I'm trying to think of what this is. It's shampoo. So I put shampoo in here and glitter, and it's supposed to look like algae. Does anybody know what algae is?
It's water.
It's in the water, yeah.
That's in the sea.
Yeah, I think algae can be in the sea.
And it's in the.
So algae is like a plant.
It's
It's like a plant-like material that forms in the water, and it's green colored. So these are our little algae sensory bags that are made out of shampoo and food coloring. So we're going to practice writing our letters just like we do in the sand, and we can write in the glitter one or we can write in the other one. So that's what we're going to do with these little things. That will just be along with our game. So does everyone understand how our little activity is going to work today?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to break you guys into groups now. I'm going to have Grace, Farouk, and Parvati at this table, and then I'm going to have Jalen and Kingston at this table over here.